All right, so on a day that India has crossed the 2 lakh mark, 2 lakh 7,615 cases, 8,900, almost 9,000 cases added over the last 24 hours. That is the highest that we have seen since.
Day by day, the number of COVID 19 positive cases are increasing rapidly. Somehow, we are also responsible for this situation. In this video, we are going to talk about some problems which we are going to face after lockdown and their solutions. India is ranking at the sixth position in the whole world in the race called COVID 19 positive cases. Yes, everyone wants to be in top 10, but when it comes to an epidemic situation, who wants to be in top 10? The active cases of India as of 6 June is 2,36,657. Then what will happen after lockdown? The biggest problem rising these days is the shortage of beds, and there will some other problems which will rise after lockdown. That is increase in number of COVID-19 positive cases, increase in mortality rate due to COVID-19, and less number of COVID-19 tests due to price factor. As we also know, due to this lockdown, India is going through an economic crisis. For that, we have to do something which will take the COVID 19 positive cases to an end without affecting the economic condition of India. For doing that, we have to do something which is cost effective. Like we can do thermal testing of every citizen in order basis, we can aware them about COVID 19 and provide some basic medicines to those who are having mild symptoms of COVID 19. For this problem, we have tried to make some solutions like home-based hospital, psycho-economic impact, and decrease in the price of COVID test.
Firstly, we will discuss about home-based hospitals. As we all know that the number of COVID positive cases are rising day by day, and the main problem rising these days is the shortage of beds. For this problem, we had tried to make a solution. If the Gram Panchayat from rural areas and councillors from urban areas take the help of NGOs and ASHA workers and spread them into small areas, they will look after every person of that areas by enlisting their names with symptoms and tracking them in a weekly process. They will help in them for examine their sample at a low price because price is a huge factor. After that, patient tested COVID-19 positive will be treated by registered doctors. Medicine will given by NGO and ASHA workers. Ambulance and ventilation services will always available for emergency. So we can control the outbreak of COVID-19 with the help of NGO and ASHA workers. We will able to treat ourselves from COVID-19 by staying at home. Next one is psychological economic impact. We know that COVID-19 has a psychological effect on people because it is a new disease for us. We can do it to get rid of psychological fear. First one, awareness program about COVID-19 by NGO and ASHA workers. Next, learn breathing exercise, then limited news consumption and learn the facts about COVID-19, etc.
Lastly, the most important fact to notice about the price of the COVID 19 test, which is really expensive and it is not available in FT labs. For that, we have to try to make expenses as much as possible to decrease as cheap as the normal test. By doing this, we can make everyone convinced to have COVID test when they are notice some symptoms, and that test would be cheap and best as well.
Like this, we can control the spread of COVID 19 after lockdown just by staying at home.